Hi, my name is Kriss Alexandra from Tgi Fridays in Southampton. We're now going to look at a range of moves for 100 club bartenders. Okay? The first move is called behind your head. This is set for 100 club level. The equipment you need is a mixing tin. Now, the object of the move is to throw the mixing tin off the top of the bar and catch in your left hand behind your head, like so.
Always try and catch the tin upright. The more spins, the more impressive the move.
Okay, move number 2 is a 720 wet exchange. Okay, this is for 100 club level. The equipment you need is a mixing tin and a spirit bottle. Okay, now the object of the move is to pour, for example, an ounce of liquor into the tin and then exchange the tin by doing a 720-degree spin from your left hand to your right hand, like so.
Flick the tin from the top, allowing it to spin twice before catching it upright in your other hand.
Move number 3 is a glass roll. Now this again is for 100 club level. The equipment you need is just the Collins glass. Now the object of the move is to roll the glass down your arm and catch it in front of you, like so.
Always keep the base of the Collins facing away from you and catch it as it passes the sleeve on your stripes.